I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two things. Your Epic Games account is signed in and Google Pay is set up with a card or bank. Once done, open Epic on your device and go straight to store or account payment settings. Make sure your Google Pay method is primary in the Google Pay app and that both the app and device OS are updated. This avoids tokenization or authorization errors later. Now tap Add Payment Method inside Epic to begin linking Google Pay. You'll now connect Google Pay to Epic by choosing Add Payment Method and selecting Google Pay from the options. Follow the prompts. Google will tokenize your card and ask for permission to share payment data with Epic. Provide any additional billing details Epic requests, like billing address or CVV, because some banks require that for authorization. Once you accept permissions, Epic receives a token, not your raw card number. This is why Google Pay is both convenient and safer for purchases. Finish by selecting Google Pay at checkout and tapping Pay. You may authenticate with fingerprint, PIN, or screen lock. After authorization, Epic processes the purchase using the tokenized card. If the transaction is declined, check Google Pay and your bank for pending authorization requests or fraud blocks. Resolving those in the bank app often clears the issue. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card in Google Pay, try a different card, or contact Epic support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.